Wow, we have a challenge on tonight's show for you. We have a master wardrobe makeover, and rumour has it is going to be so challenging that we have called in the cavalry. We have Lukey from Get Sorted coming to give us a hand. So let's go check it out before she gets here. Oh, I wonder what we're going to see in, oh my gosh. Now this is a cluttered wardrobe. I think I'm actually going to have to get started in here and rip out a bit of this overpopulated clothes before Lukey even gets here. A little bit of luxury, like just a dash of luxury, is so beautiful in some spaces. And in this wardrobe for this client, we have been so lucky to be able to pop in a dash of luxury, but practical luxury with these Sagittine storage boxes. Now, I mean, these are next level. Not only are they a phenomenal textured finish with beautiful practical leather handles, but they're also lined. Now, this one, our client has a huge foot, a size 11. This one actually fits 6 pairs of her wedges, which is such a great way to store her shoes. And in here, very special wedding shoes. I tell you what, this dash of luxury from Sagittine is going to be very welcome in this wardrobe. So I'm here today with Lukey from Get Sorted. And oh my gosh, Lukey, thank you for joining us.
Nice to be here.
And thank you for completely throwing yourself into that massive wardrobe makeover that we have on this episode. It's mammoth.
It was pretty big. It was a big start, but look, within 3 or 4 hours, we've got it as a completely functioning wardrobe and looking quite pretty.
So when you approach something like that though, most people would literally throw their tools down, their hands in the air, and they'd say, I'm out. So how do you overcome that starting factor? Like when you walked into that, what was the first thing you knew you needed to do?
I knew I had to get everything out of there to start with and
Okay.
restack completely. So I've now put some baskets in there, which, you know, outlay of $70.
That's nothing really.
Is nothing really, and it's completely transformed that
See,
space.
I haven't seen it yet. I can't wait to see it.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Now, so then for anyone who's wanting to, because I'm sure once everyone sees the transformation, I'm betting people are going to be going, I need to make over my wardrobe this weekend.
Yes.
So what would be 3 things that you would suggest after getting everything out, literally removing it all?
Strip it
what would
bare.
be 3 things that you'd tell people to do?
Okay, so all the storage solutions in the world are fantastic, but you need to declutter to start with. So you need to get rid of anything that doesn't make you feel good, that doesn't fit, and that's looking a little tired.
Do you mean there's no, I'll get into those next season?
No, well, it just means that every time you look at those clothes, it doesn't make you happy.
Feel crappy.
You feel a bit rubbish, yeah.
Yeah.
So
Get rid of anything that doesn't fit, that doesn't make you feel good, that you maybe haven't worn in 2 years.
Yes.
Okay, what's the next thing?
Next would be to put everything into categories.
Okay.
So that will help you further declutter. So if you find that you have 18 long sleeve black tops, you realise that you have not got rid of enough.
Has she been in my wardrobe? Maybe. Okay.
I'm talking about my own too.
Oh, good.
honestly.
You can never have enough black tops, right?
No, that's true.
Okay, so if you've got piles of identical clothes that are the same size, you probably need to have a good hard look at yourself.
I think so.
Okay, and what about the third one?
Well, think about who you're giving it to as well. So that is going
point.
to make somebody else's life better.
I like it.
When I, as part of the service, I take everything away that is no longer required, and I have a few charities that I donate to.
That's fantastic. So people, you not only make it better, you take all of the stuff away to make someone else's life better.
That's right.
That's
Exactly
actually
right.
beautiful, Lukey.
Yeah.
That's very cool. All right, so once I see this wardrobe and once we show the client this wardrobe and they're like beyond excited, how are they going to keep it like that?
It's a little bit addictive. Once you see your
Bit like
best
chocolate.
self, bit like chocolate.
Yes.
you're then wanting to imagine your best self going forward. So you see that that organised space and think, yes, I can be organised like this as well, and you will generally keep it that way.
Is it kind of like you've ripped the Band-Aid off for people?
Yeah.
So you've ripped the Band-Aid off and taken them back to a starting point that's manageable.
That's right. Yeah. And it just takes that one step, which a lot of people can do themselves, but will get me into to just let them take that first step.
And I guess part of that is not only that they don't have the time, some people, but it might also be that they don't have the headspace. Like they don't have the clarity to undertake, like literally the client's entire probably past 8 or 9 years of her life has been in that wardrobe.
Yeah.
And that's a big thing to tackle.
It is. And she won't want to go back to the way it was now that she sees it this way. So that'll help her keep things tidy.
I wonder what else it could transform in her life. Well, can you go and show me? I can't wait to see it.
Yeah, of course.
All right, let's go. Lukey, I'm for the first time in my life, I'm actually a little speechless. Like, this transformation is epic.
Well, thank you. Yes, it was rather, but a few short hours and it's done.
And look at this. Who would have thought of this? Horizontal folding and stacking.
Yes.
So you can see everything. You don't mess up the top thing when you pull the bottom thing out.
That's right.
If the client is half as tongue-tied about this as I am, they're going to be blown away.
I'm so pleased. Well, the client can actually come in and shop their own wardrobe now.
It's going to be an
See what they've
exciting
got.
time. Shopping with no spend.
That's right.
I love it. Thank you, Lukey.
My pleasure.
Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching this episode of DIY Wednesday. It would mean the world to me if you liked the video and subscribed to the channel, and I'll be back to see you on Friday.